he's like trying to figure out how to have friends, and he wants to make friends and then eat them. And he goes, well, whenever I try to make friends, they leave unless I eat them.
That's what my mother always told me.
That's what my mother always said. They'll only leave unless you eat them.
Oh.
You remember better than me when you saw it at 10 o'clock this morning. Anyway, I hope they do well this weekend. Their contest is Saturday. While we're doing Pinewood check-in.
Dun 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 dun.
Scout is the snow queen. I don't know the girl's name. It was somebody, it looked like somebody Asian. They had so much makeup on, but they were Snow White's mother. And she like wanted to run with a mirror in front of her all the time. She's like looking at herself constantly in her magic mirror. And she's bound to be an 8th grader. I just don't know who it is. She was the Hansel and Gretel Rapunzel witch. She was hilarious. She had so much green makeup on and a giant prosthetic nose and the wig and the hat, and she was, you know, a long way across the gym from me. So I was like, I'm not even sure who that is. She's doing a great job. She's hilarious, and she's projecting her voice so well I could hear her across the whole gym. But I know who it was. And then she walked up close and was like, oh my gosh, it's Candace Reagan's daughter, but I couldn't think of it as Kira. I was like, that's why I couldn't think of the name, because it's too similar to your sister.
Finally! I got it! I'm trying to get this Jeep for so long. So long. Oh, what? My wheels got stuck in the ground. What? What? I'm totally confused right now. Popping a weekly. Yeah. Don't touch me. Don't touch. No, please don't touch me. Please. Please, I'm out of mess. Oh.
Okay, well, don't sneeze so aggressively.
Oh yeah, Mom, tomorrow the teachers have gone full ape shit. They are on troll patrol. They are going in
On what?
troll patrol. They are going in and giving demerits for things like freaking sock. Yeah, like sneezing too loud. I've almost gotten a demerit for breathing too loud before. Like they're giving demerits for having logos on socks and for color and for solid black shoes that aren't Nike and stuff.
You mean New Balance?
Yeah, sorry. Anyway, they're giving demerits for having a religious necklace showing at all. You can't show it yet. It has to be inside your shirt. You can't have any sort of facial hair whatsoever. And they're gonna do like a huge uniform check tomorrow. Yes, I probably have to because there's a slight trace of peach fuzz. And I also gotta shave my I also gotta cut my hair because my hair's going over my eyebrows. This is so stupid. It's just because freaking Miss Hinkle's just a big bitch and she wants something to give everyone demerits.
Thank you for letting me out, Carl.
Oh, wow.
What?
I guess there's still at least 10 years left, so we're probably It does need shade. That's right. But because of dirt, we have to try more time. In case you haven't noticed, your hair
And Gabby's hair, he shaves like every night. He grows his freaking mustache back every day. He would have to shave in the morning and then shave again at lunch just so he can do that stupid inspection.
Poor Gabby.
They won't let him take a razor to school because one, you can't bring a can of freaking shaving cream to the school, and two, the school probably thinks a razor's a weapon, so they're not going to let you bring them. There's no way. It's stupid. It's so dumb.
So far, you guys have been lucky. Either none of y'all are as hairy as Daddy, not my old shop. Y'all look like my dad.
Hey, you can't say that about me.
As far as your face and your chin, well, I don't know about you. You're not old enough yet. But none of y'all have reached a point like your dad. By the time he was 25, was already a dreadful hair. He was like, he had like a really thick mustache.
Up, shoot up. Can't even see myself. Question mark. What follower? Wow. Ah. Oh, that was close. Whee! Over that car! Sucker! Oh, me. That's what I get for going over a car.
I said by tomorrow they're doing this.
Yes, they're gonna go freaking interrogate everyone and pat us down.
Pat you down.
Yeah, it's stupid. They're making sure you don't have like phones or electronics or anything in your pocket. They're making sure that you pretty much don't have any self-expression whatsoever.
Well,
and
you
making
don't
sure
carry any
every
of that
person
stuff
has to be exactly on dress code, or they will literally just go and give anyone a demerit for each single thing.
So you're saying you and Aiden are both going to show up bald tomorrow again?
Pretty much. Looks like I should comb my hair back at lunch and then they finish interrogating me and it'll be done.
It does need a cut. It's so distracting. It's just that I have other things on my plate that I need to do. Okay.
Like what?
They don't care. Also, I have to do like 3 test correction things in a freaking math packet that he gave us today.
Do you know if Miss Hinkle wrote your reputation
Miss Tinkle?
yet? Or Savia?
I don't know. She
Probably
said she'd write it and give it to Miss whoever.
I think they give it directly to the school. I might have to just check. I think I can log in your application.
What happens when you get high enough?
I just wondered since Mr. Warfield gave us a copy. I don't think they have to roll as soon as we hit the front door. We need to plug in your razor because it's just sitting and hasn't been charged in a while. I was keeping it charged because I was going to have you come or something. But I think it should be fine. I was purposefully not having you shave
to shave it once.
Yes, exactly. And that was why I was procrastinating. Because you definitely have a visible peach fuzz, but you've never actually shaved before. So I wasn't putting, couldn't even get that for you.
And it was like $200.
Yeah, it's a really nice ring.
Can't wait till it just starts getting
Your dad has to shave with a real razor blade because he's just like, and he's got a shadow by the end of the day. Which I'm sure you've noticed. Like if he goes all weekend, he's very hairy by Monday. It's like he looks very unkempt. So to speak.
There's a small stomach.
He's just a hairy person. Someday you may be that bad. Right now you're not. So I'm trying not to encourage it.
I'm totally backed up. Well, now I can't.
Jacob, what have you got for homework other than we got to finish your car tonight? We got to get it painted because Daddy's got to put the wheels on and stuff.
It's just isn't he? Jacob. So yes.
No.
Yes.
Guilty.
Guess he went somewhere. Oh, can I get y'all to run the trash cans down?